Hi, welcome. In the previous session, we had seen how to declare the hash variable, and we had been familiar with the the keys and the values in the hash variable. Now this is the another script related to the hash variable. So let's copy this. We'll give the hash variable dot pl. So let's open into the Vim editor. So now we'll be writing different way. Say we'll delete this. Okay, so we want this variable. Now what we want to do, we want to print this keys and the value in tabular format. So in the first column there shall be the month like January, February, March, and in the second column there is a corresponding the days in the that particular month. So this tabular format, that output we want to create. So how to do that, let's see. So we need to use the for each loop. So say one variable we are calling, say, so here we'll give its name simple. So like we'll give variable 1 only. So let's give variable 1 equal to keys, or you can assign any value. So this is a variable 2 we can give. So keys in percentage, you can give variable 1. Okay, so now we are assigning the keys of the variable 1 to the variable 2, which is the array variable. Now for each program, this is the syntax we are writing, and we are storing to the say variable 3, and we are assigning this variable 2 to variable 3. So variable 3 is a scalar variable. Okay, so you can see 3 variables we declare. One is scalar variable, which is variable 3, array variable, and hash variable. Okay, now we want to print say variable 1, sorry, variable 3. Okay, so variable 3. So for each loop that we are using, so we'll be printing the keys to the first column and the corresponding the values on the second column of that case. Okay, so in this case in this case the keys are the month name and the values are the total days into that month. Okay, so now this is the forward slash and the backslash t, that is like tab, and now we want to say variable 2 of the variable 1. Okay, so this is a dollar variable 1. Okay, so corresponding the the value of that keys we want to print. So let's run this, we'll see what output we are getting now. Yes. Okay, use backslash n. Okay, let's save this and we'll run this program. You can see what we have written, and this is the output. So January, February, March. So in this case, that in the first column that months got written, printed, but not the days. So we need to fix it. Something is wrong. We need to identify. So here it shall be it shall be variable 3 actually. So it shall be variable 3, not variable 1. So let's run this. Still it's not resolved. So is that okay? Variable 3, so that is fine. It is working now. Here it shall be the dollar variable 2. Okay. So we are doing some mistakes. So here variable 1 we shall write variable, here we shall write variable 1 instead of variable 2. So it is little complicated. I will explain once again. Let me debug and fix this. So you can see what we have written. So this is the script and this is the output. So you can see this corresponding, the days are also getting printed. So this way tabular fashion we can create the this information. So month and corresponding to the days in the month. Okay, so here let me explain once again what we have done. So this already that what we had declared, and this keys we want to assign to this variable 2. So variable 2 is the array variable. Okay, so these keys are assigned to the variable 2. Okay, and this each variable 2 we are passing to the variable 3, scalar variable 3. So so there is a for each loop. So every time that loop will get executed and the corresponding keys will be assigned to the scalar variable. Okay, so like January will be assigned to this variable 3, then it will be printed. You can see this variable 3, so it is nothing but it will store the this the keys of this variable 1. So this is what we are doing. So that's how every loop, that January, February, March is getting printed to the first column. Then after there is a tab. So after the tab, now we want to call the this value of that variable, hash variable. So this is the hash variable, variable 1 is the hash variable, and corresponding the keys. So corresponding to that keys we want to call the value. So this how we can call the value. So this syntax in the previous session we had seen how to do that. So same syntax you can utilize. So this is the corresponding value of that particular keys of that variable. Okay, so I hope you got it. So this is little tricky. So once you write this program and you practice and if you understand, that time it will be easy to write this hash variable declaration. Thank you.